Hi, IamAlnoor. Today I'm talking about you being a masterpiece. You can't move ahead by looking back. Yesterday my son was skiing downhill. He looked back to see where his friend was, tripped and broke his arm. And just like that, to succeed in today's job market, you need to be having razor sharp focus. You need to be able to stand out to achieve the 2020 clarity in 2020 and create the you masterpiece. Just like an artist, when they're creating a masterpiece, what they are doing is they need to set themselves apart. And that was what I asked you in the day one, and that is by showing how you can stand out, by showing your awesome sauce, and also adding love into the mix. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the 6 other things that will bring you success if you follow these. Finding passion in what you do. If your job does not bring you the passion, then find things that you can do while you're working that will give you that passion. Also, continuous learning. Take courses. Linda Learning is one of the great things that you can do, as well as taking courses at a institution so you can upskill, up-level. You can bring in new skills that are required for tomorrow's jobs that perhaps you do not have in the job that you're doing today. The other thing is also investing in you, which is crucial. Lots of people forget that they are important. They do not give themselves the credit. They do not look after themselves. So look after yourself. Take some you time, some me time, and look after yourself, as well as look at ways you can enter professional organizations, perhaps even the Chamber of Commerce in your city. And there are so many events that happen there that could be beneficial, and you would meet lots of people. Another place you would meet lots of people is by volunteering. When you give, there is so many times you get that helper's high, but you're also not only increasing your knowledge, but you're also increasing your network. So that is going to be massive when you're reaching out and connecting with people outside of LinkedIn and other social media sites. And when tomorrow I will be sharing the tips that I'm going to share with you about finding mentors. And these 19 people have been instrumental in my life in 2019. And I hope you do catch who they are and share who would be the 20th one you would bring for 2020. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips will help you create the magnificent you, the masterpiece that is you. Thanks so much for watching. Love and hugs. IamAlnoor.